Hello guys, this time I'd like to do a really quick review on some really amazing parts. This is from KA models from Korea, and what they have produced are some really nice exhausts for different jets. They come in 1/48 scale, 1/32 scale, and also 1/72 scale. Now what I'm trying to have a look here, it's the most amazing nozzle I've seen so far from aftermarket parts production. This set is for F-15 CDEK Eagles, and it's 1/48 scale. And let me open the box and show you the parts. Well, the parts come in a very large box, well, considering the size of the parts. And after you open the box, there's another really sturdy carbon box inside. And as you take out the carbon partitions, we can see that actually there's only 2 nozzles inside the box, and there's no other extra parts for you to put together. 2 nozzle comes in one piece on their own. Okay, let's look at it closely. Now I have set the camera to really close-up mode so we can have a look at these parts really up close. Because the camera is so close up, every little small move I made will move gigantically. Now let's zoom in closer and have a look at the parts. Can you see how delicate the casting or the printout is? Can you see all the details being printed out? And can you see that all the movable arms and little details are being printed out in one piece? And look at the thickness of the printout. It's so thin, it's almost transparent. And now all you need to do is paint. So there's no little fiddling around with minute parts. So this is what 3D printing will do in the future. And imagine what it can do for the instrument panels, the access panels of the plane, the hood of the car. Everything can be produced to really correct scale thickness with minute details. Isn't this amazing? Okay. Well, I drooled when I saw these parts. And what happened when you paint it? Let's look at the box art. And this is the photograph on the box. And the one at the back here is the printout. It's exactly the part we just saw. And here is what they can achieve with painting. And obviously, if you do a more careful, delicate painting, all the details can be picked up. And there's no assembly at all, because all this are being printed in a single piece. Okay, this is the amazing super detailed exhaust from KA model of South Korea. And they are available in 3 scale, 1/72 scale, 1/48 scale, and also 1/32 scale. And they have exhaust for F-15, F-16, F-4, and F-16. Did I say F-16 already? Yeah, I did. But this is the most amazing one because F-15 is so famous for their exhaust the turkey feather exhaust, and they reproduce the exhaust in one piece. Simply amazing. So thank you for watching. I also thank Hobby Easy supplying the KA models for review. And until next time, bye bye.